Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Eureka Originals here with another video. I went to the Maker's Market today, and I'm always looking for the unique and unusual. And this pair of earrings is what I picked up today because the creator said that they're made with acrylic and vinyl records. The name of the company is Misk Gallery. And I had not seen anything quite like this, so I picked these up and I was inspired by these to create something similar of my own. And I remembered that I had done something similar with wood, but they were round and they were larger and they were heavier. And when I wore them one time, the stud came off, so that made me afraid to make them again. But I decided to give this another try. I opened Silhouette Studio and decided to design a pair that was similar. I wanted my corners rounded, so that's what I did. So this is my design, and I'm going to send it to the Glowforge. I'm going to cut it in wood, in 1/8 inch wood, and I'm going to put two pieces together. So I will actually have to cut 4 pieces to get one pair of earrings. Whenever I have a design that has some negative space in it, I design something inside it to use the space so that I don't have any excess material. So that's what's happening here, is I drew a rounded square within my design. You know the drill. If you like this video, please subscribe. Leave me a comment or a thumbs up. Don't forget our Tuesday live at 6 p.m. Eastern. All right, good people. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.